Hello and welcome to this new lecture. In this video we'll be looking into what web development is. Web development, on the other hand, involves creating websites and web applications that run on web browsers. Websites can be accessed on various devices, including desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Unlike most apps, websites require an internet connection to operate. There are two main types of websites, namely static and dynamic websites. Static websites are made up of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and do not have a database. Dynamic websites, on the other hand, are more complex and have a database. They are built using programming languages, among others, PHP, Ruby on Rails, and Python. A website's development process involves several stages, including planning, designing, coding, testing, and deployment. Web developers need to be proficient in programming languages such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and various frameworks such as React, Angular, and Vue. Okay, so that's it for the introduction of web development. Then let's tackle now the difference between app development and web development. So let's take a look at the big difference between both of them. So between apps and websites, basically. Okay, so first difference, platforms. App development involves creating applications that run on specific platforms, such as iOS or Android. Web development, on the other hand, involves creating websites that can be accessed on any device with a web browser. Number two, the second difference, online versus offline. Apps can operate offline, without an internet connection. In contrast, websites require an internet connection to operate. Okay, so the next difference is user experience. The primary goal of app development is to provide users with a native experience that is tailored to the specific device. Web development focuses on creating a seamless user experience across different devices. Next, programming languages. App development requires different programming languages such as Java, Swift, and Kotlin, while web development requires languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Next, development tools. App development requires specific development tools such as Xcode for iOS app development, while web development uses tools such as Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, or Atom. Next, deployment. Apps are deployed through app stores such as Apple's App Store or Google Play, while websites are deployed to web servers. Alright, so in conclusion, app development and web development are two distinct software development areas with unique features. The primary difference between the two is that app development involves creating applications that run natively on specific platforms, while web development involves creating websites that can be accessed on any device with a web browser. Understanding the difference between the two can help developers choose the right development path depending on their project requirements. Okay, so that's it for this lecture, and now on to the next one.